Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMan. In this video, let me show you how you can make a thumbnail in Photoshop. To get started, choose an image that you would like to use as the background of a thumbnail. And in a separate tab, I have an image that I would like to add to my background. Begin over in the Background tab, go up to Image, and select Image Size. In the pop-up, you want to change the width to 1 to 80 and the height to 720 to match the YouTube standard. Then just hit OK. Now, if you have a second image like me, go back to the tab and make sure you have the Move tool selected. Drag your image onto the top with your background. Then release it into your background at your desired position. If you'd like to resize your image, first make sure your layer is selected and then use the Ctrl plus T keyboard shortcut to bring up these handles. To add text to your background, select the text tool, then click where you want to type your text. You can also change the font and its color. If you have two lines of text, you may want to adjust the spacing between lines by first selecting your text and then going over to the character panel. And drag the two A's stacked on top of each other to the side. Finally, just use the Move tool to reposition the text in the frame. And then next, give the text a drop shadow by double-clicking your text layer to open up the Layer Styles box in here. Simply select Drop Shadow if you want a more pronounced drop shadow. You can play around with the sliders, but just stick with the defaults to make your text stand out even more. You can adjust the background's brightness under Layers. Click this title circle and select Brightness Contrast. Drag your new brightness layer so that will be the only one above your background layer. Click the little sun icon. On your brightness layer, bring up its properties, then drag the brightness slider to adjust the brightness, which will make your text more readable. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.